Hello guys, welcome back to Son of Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you or discuss with you how to fix HP Smart Tank 580 printer or lights blinking. So if you're interested, let's get started. So in this case, if you're having some problems here with your HP Smart Tank 580 and all the lights that you see here are blinking, well, there are a few things that you could try. So first thing that you can try here is you may want to check your cartridge. Now in this case, sometimes you may have inserted or you may be using a bad cartridge here, which in this case you need to open up your HP Smart Tank here and just remove the cartridge and basically see if that or the issue still persists. Now, if the light is still flashing here, or in this case, all the buttons or all the lights here are still blinking, well, unfortunately, the problem itself might be the actual printer and not the cartridge. So, if that's the case, you first need to try resetting it. So, to reset it, you want to press and hold the Wi-Fi button, the information button, and the cancel button at the same time for about like 5 seconds. Now, once 5 seconds is up, it should reset your printer here, and that should probably solve your issue. But if not, and that does not work, then most probably the motherboard for your printer may be broken or may have been fried, which in this case, the last and best thing that you could do here is to just basically contact HP support. Now, if your printer is still under warranty, they will be able to give you some options here. They should be able to give you like a replacement here if it's within the week, or if it's still valid. And yeah, so in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NF Inspo. Thank you for watching.